put the daggone wig on and go.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Divas, what's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know who it is. Favorite diva, A. I already told you about this company several times. I really don't think I need to keep repeating myself, but for those of you who are new to my channel, I definitely will. UNice is the pink box, girl. This is the box that will have you right at a budget price. They are on Amazon, they are on AliExpress, they are on their own website. Girl, when you want to look flawless on a budget, you definitely want to mess with UNice. So today's video is a pre-everything, you know, pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-plug, pre-styled, and number 5, pre-approved girl, pre-approved by your girl. Other than that, I hope y'all are having like a really great week, a great day. So this is pre-everything. I didn't take this wig out the box. I didn't do anything to it. I just wanted to leave it in the box because I need y'all to know that you can definitely just take this out the box and put it on. UNice be having the wigs, okay? If you want a budget-friendly wig, girl, then get you a UNice wig. It comes with the tape, and there's also a roller here just to keep the style. I did get a wig cap. This is the 7x5 bye-bye knots, which is always bye-bye knots with UNice because it comes pre-everything. And your wig is always prepared like so. Now, this is an actual side part, and like I said, there is a curler in it, so that way it could keep its balance because, girl, like I said, it's pre-everything, it's pre-style. As you guys can see, the lace has been cut for you right here. The knots have been bleached, and like also, this is a 7x5 unit. So it does have an adjustable band inside that you can actually make tighter. It does have one comb in the unit, which is in the nape. It also has some rubber banding around it. And the best thing of the best thing is the security, which is the drawstring. I know you need one, girl. I know there's a lot of you ladies out there who have been looking for them drawstring wigs. So check out UNice on Amazon. They will definitely have you right. UNice. You all need a little bit of security. But on top of that, like I said, it comes with tape. So if you want to tape any of this down, girl, go ahead. Tape yourself together, okay? I do want to also mention that right here in the center part is also some rubber gripping so that way your wig cannot slip back, okay?
Do you believe straight from a party? We're all on a roll tonight. Women be sparky, all the men be dancing right, moving my body. Clubbing feels so sweet. We turn and turn and turn again. We turn and turn and feel the heat. Straight from a party. Music's coming your way. I will be smiling. You'll be so fine. Do you believe there's a young world in my heart telling me to dance, taking a chance? If you believe there's a young world to come about, young world shaking the ground. Straight from a party, clubbing till the morning break, moving your body, talking to my soul. And I got all my sisters to the right. We'll be moving till the break of light. And I got all my brothers within sight, turning till the clock will strike 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty people dance, pretty baby darling. Pretty people dance, pretty baby darling. Pretty people dance, pretty baby darling. Pretty people dance, pretty people dance. Do you believe there's a young world in my heart telling me to dance, taking a chance? If you believe there's a young world to come about,
Look how cute she came out. Like, girl, look. Definitely pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-bleached, and pre-approved. Now, I did go ahead and remove some of the hair from the front hairline only because I didn't want it so close to the edge. You know, I need a little bit of that disappearing lace. UNice definitely got the lace that's going on. Girl, do you see the lace? Like, lace where? Like, this is the 7x5, bye-bye knots. Girl, what? And she's secure. There's nothing you need more than this wig. Check them out. When I tell you, you get the good, okay? You know what I'm saying? For the low, you know what I'm saying? What do I always tell y'all? That these are the budget-friendly wigs where you can just get slayed all day on a budget and do it like it's your everyday. There's really not more that you need. You've got an adjustable strap, you got a comb, you got some tape, and you got a drawstring. Girl, just put the wig on and go. Plus, I didn't have to curl anything. I love when I don't really got to do much, okay? What I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all? UNice be having the low, the good, okay? The best of the best of the best for less, for real, okay? You just put the wig on and go out the door. Pre-affordable, and I know that's really not even a word, but it is for today. 22 inches, 7x5, bye-bye knots. Okay, what more can you ask for? Get you a good wig from them, and you can thank me later. Treat yourself, or if you want to treat somebody else, get them a UNice wig. They will definitely thank you later. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious. Make sure to comment below. Thumbs the video up and share it. You know I love when y'all share, okay? Because I'm sharing, and sharing is caring. I'll see y'all in the next one.